Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop people from mentioning you on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone and we have to go to the TikTok setting. We can go to our profile first and then we can click on these three lines on the top right. And since we want to open up the TikTok setting, we can click on settings and privacy. Okay, here you can choose the privacy and you can scroll down until you find mention. Select this option, and if you want to stop people from mentioning you, you can select this option, allow mentions from, and you can choose no one, so no one can mention you in descriptions, stickers, comment, and stories. Okay, and then I'm going to check it guys. I'm going to check the result with my another TikTok account. I'm just going to go back and switch my account. Okay, I'm just going to open up this account. Okay, and for example, I'm going to mention my first account on comment. So let's say I'm going to add comment in this post. I'm going to go to the comment section and I'm going to mention my first account right here. I'm just going to mention it. Okay, and this is the username of my first account guys, and as you can see that we cannot mention this person due to the privacy setting. Okay, and I'm going to try to mention my first account in my post or story. Wait, I'm going to create a story and I'm going to mention my first account. Okay, this one guys, and as you can see, I cannot mention this person due to the privacy setting. Okay, you won't be able to mention in the description as well. Let's try it. Okay, cannot mention this person due to the privacy setting. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to stop people from mentioning us on a TikTok, especially in description, sticker, stories, or post, and also comment. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.